G'day, my name's Darby and I work here at New England Toyota Armidale. Just a little bit of detail, we're a new rural dealership and have been dealing successfully with our guests for the past few years. Alright, here's our walk around video on our 2010 Commodore SSV. Alright, starting here on the passenger front, coming into the bumper. As you can see, there's no real damage at all. There's a couple of rock chips. There's a little rock chip just there, but nothing major at all. All in really good condition. Coming around the front, again, just a few little rock chips on the front there, but no major damage at all. No major scratches, nothing. Coming around to the driver's side bumper, moving in, all in really good condition. At the bottom there, all looking really nice, really well maintained. Stepping out now, looking at the front wheel. A little bit of gutter rash there, but nothing major at all. Good tread on the tyres, won't be needing new tyres for a while. Coming around now to the driver's side door, all in really good condition, really well maintained. A few little minor scratches there on the bottom, but nothing major at all. To the rear door now, again in good condition. Little rock chip there, nothing major. To the back tyre, no gutter rash there on the rear rim, and again plenty of tread on that tyre. Won't be needing new tyres for a while. Coming around to the driver's side rear. Coming in, a few little scuff marks, one little scratch there that'll probably buff right out. A few little stone chips, but nothing major. Stepping out now, here in the rear. Coming in, looking at the spoiler. No damage at all to it, all in really good condition. Down the bottom here now, again in really good condition, no major damage at all. Popping the boot. The boot here, as you can see, really well maintained, plenty of room. Little access point to the back seat there. Stepping out to the passenger side rear. Coming in, no major damage at all in really good condition. The rear tyre, again, plenty of tread. The rim is in really good condition, no gutter rash there on the rear. Coming across now to the passenger side door, no damage at all. Little scuff mark there on the bottom, nothing major. No gutter rash here on the front passenger side. Good tread on the tyre. Won't be needing new tyres. Stepping into the passenger side door now. As you can see there, the passenger side door in really good condition, really well maintained, in good nick. Got the genuine floor mats, leather interior. Seats are in really good condition, really well maintained. All looks really nice. Coming into the rear, there's the door there, again in good condition, no real scuff marks whatsoever. The back seats, all really well looked after, really well maintained. Genuine floor mats in the back as well. Coming around to the driver's side rear. The door again there, in really good condition. That's just a bit of glimmer there from the sunlight. All really well looked after. Stepping in, as you can see, the seats are in good condition. Floor really nice and tidy, really well maintained. Stepping into the driver's side of the vehicle. Driver's side door, all in good nick. You can see moving across here, little scuff mark, and then a couple of little scuff marks down there. But other than that, in really good condition. Stepping out, driver's side seat, all really well maintained. Genuine floor mats. Stepping into the car now. Zooming out. As you can see, it's all well maintained, all in good condition. The hood lining, the roof lining, also well looked after. Alrighty, let's turn it on. Looking here at the lights. And there's our walk around video of our 2010 Commodore.